In this video, I'm going to show you why you need to be doing even more video on YouTube right now. Hi there, David Walsh here from davidwalshonline.com, where you connect and grow with video. Right now, even more people are looking for your YouTube videos. We've seen a massive upsurge in the views on the channels that we manage recently. And if you're not creating content for your audience, you need to do so right now. As people are facing lockdown, no matter where they are in the world or they're in self-isolation, they're looking for your content. Never has there been a better time to grow your audience on YouTube. Whether you have an existing channel or whether you've been considering it, now is the best time for you to get your content out there and grow your audience. If your customers and clients are facing self-isolation, then you definitely need to be creating content for them that they can consume at home. Whether you're a personal trainer or a physical therapist or whatever it is that you do, if you do it in person, then you definitely need to be doing this for your clients so that they can still connect with you on your YouTube channel. Because when we do, and because you've given them content that they can use through this, they will be still thinking of you when we get through the other side. Now, because people have been staying at home, I was curious to see what effect this would have on YouTube channels. So if we look at the stats here, we can see that I've just been getting over 10,000 views per day on this channel. But then all of a sudden it jumped by 50% in just 6 days, and it's continuing to rise. And we can see here it's almost jumped by 70% in just 10 days. And it's not the only channel where we're seeing this. Another channel that we're working on was regularly getting about 500 views per day. Then all of a sudden it jumped by over 40% in just 1 day, and over 60% increase in 2 days. So I've been messaging all my clients to make sure that they're consistently getting their content out there and even increasing the number of videos that they're creating. And it's not just with our channels. Statistics have come in from the Church of Joel Osteen. He's had the biggest viewership online in the history of his church. Because people physically can't go to church, they're reaching out to look for an online church to go to. He's had 4.63 million people tune in to his service last Sunday. So it's not just in the how-to or even the entertainment space that people are searching for on YouTube. So why has this happened? It's obvious that because people are at home, they're searching online for things to do, so which would be setting up their YouTube channel or looking for other how-to content. Obviously people are at home in self-isolation or they're on lockdown or whatever, and they are going to YouTube looking for content. So they're searching online to find out what they can do in this time. Now that's element number one. Now the second thing is that we have worked with our clients to prime the content to get more views from YouTube. We've structured our content so it triggers the YouTube algorithm to give more and more views. And because of this, we have triggered the YouTube algorithm, and now we're seeing exponential growth in our views. So if you are a business owner and you haven't set up your YouTube channel, then now is definitely the time to do so. So if you would like help growing your YouTube channel, definitely contact us. We can help you with that. Or if you would like to set up your YouTube channel and take advantage of this surge in traffic, we can help you with that too. Contact us with the link in the description below. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. We upload videos every Tuesday. Also, make sure to watch more of the videos here to help you grow your YouTube channel and connect and grow with video.